Tom Horn was not your typical lawman. Born in Missouri, 1860, he quickly became a soldier, scout, and even bounty hunter. Horn's life was as rugged as the land he traversed. He hunted outlaws with the precision of a predator, tracking them through the harsh landscapes of Wyoming and Arizona. Horn's reputation was built on his sharpshooting skills and his ability to navigate the wilderness as if it were an extension of himself. For this painting, I'm using a mixed palette, rich in various greens, greys, ochres, and the cool silver of the moonlight. The palette knife is my sole tool. Its sharp edge and broad blade, perfect for carving out the bold, impressionistic strokes that define the scene. The knife allows me to layer thick, textured paint, capturing the roughness of the landscape and the rugged nature of the relentless hunter. Horn's most famous pursuit was of the Browns brothers, accused of cattle rustling. The chase led him through the rugged mountains of Wyoming, much like the ones in the scene, where the moonlight barely penetrated the thick canopy of trees. Horn was a man of few words, and his methods were as silent as the shadowed forest around him. I create the sweeping strokes needed to evoke the shadowy forest and the distant looming mountains. The figure of the hunter and his horse is rendered with just a few bold strokes. Horn was known for his endurance and his ability to outlast his quarry. The chase of the Browns brothers was no exception. For days Horn tracked them, moving silently through the mountains, his rifle always at the ready. When the moment came, Horn struck with the precision of a hawk, bringing down his prey without hesitation. The palette knife allows me to capture the dense, foreboding atmosphere and dramatic mountain ranges of Wyoming. With broad, sweeping motions, I layer deep greens and browns, building up the texture of the forest. nice edge adds sharp highlights where the moonlight breaks through, creating stark contrasts that mirror the inevitable confrontation. The final conclusion to the Brown brothers was swift and deadly. Tom Horn waited in the shadows, his rifle aimed, breath steady, in the dead of night. With only the moon to witness, Horn fired, and so another chapter of his life was etched into legend. Tom Horn's legacy is a complex one. Though he was a hero to some, others saw him as a ruthless killer. His life ended on the gallows in 1903 after being convicted of murdering a 14-year-old boy, a crime many believe he didn't commit. To this day, Tom Horn remains a figure of both admiration and controversy, embodying the harsh realities of justice in the Wild West. The palette knife throughout this painting helps create a textured, expressive work echoing the physical and emotional landscape of the story. Inviting you to experience the legend through the interplay of light, shadow, and texture.